To find your channel ID on a mobile device, start by opening a browser on your iPhone or Android phone and navigating to the website. Log into your account, ensuring you have the correct channel selected. Next, type a specific URL into the address bar and select Go. This will load the account page, where you can view advanced settings by selecting the option. On this page, locate the channel information and find the ID, which can be copied by scrolling to the right and selecting the copy option. Once copied, you can paste the ID wherever needed. Finding the channel ID is still relatively easy, despite recent changes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Additionally, more tips and tutorials are available for those looking to learn more.